Hello everyone. Welcome to our today's tutorial, where we are going to learn about the HTML headings. Kindly follow. We are going to start by defining what HTML headings are. HTML headings are titles or subtitles to be displayed on a web page. They are defined with H1 to H6 tags, where H1 defines the most important heading with H6 defining the least important heading. We are going to use a short example to explain each heading tag and show you how each is displayed on a browser. Looking at this example, we have both the code in the text editor and the results of the browser. You can see that H1 tag displays the largest, followed by H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 being the least. It's also good to know that H1 tags are the best for major headings, followed by H2, H3 and so on. Also note that you don't need to add a margin after a heading. Browsers automatically add some white space before and after a heading. Thank you for watching. See you in our next tutorial. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do so.